Welcome to Sure Lock and Key LLC. In today's video, we're shifting gears to focus on essential safety tips for cyclists. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, these tips will help you stay safe on the road. Join us as we explore key strategies for protecting yourself and enjoying a smooth ride. First and foremost, always wear a helmet when cycling. A properly fitted helmet can significantly reduce the risk of head injuries in the event of a fall or collision. Make sure your helmet meets safety standards and replace it if it's been involved in a crash or is showing signs of wear and tear. Next, ensure you're visible to other road users, especially in low light conditions or inclement weather. Wear brightly colored or reflective clothing and equip your bike with lights and reflectors. Consider adding reflective tape to your helmet, frame, and wheels for added visibility from all angles. Stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings while cycling. Obey traffic laws, signals, and signs, and ride predictably and defensively. Use hand signals to indicate your intentions and make eye contact with drivers before crossing intersections or changing lanes. Always assume that drivers may not see you and take extra precautions accordingly. Choose your road position wisely to maximize visibility and safety. Ride in designated bike lanes or on the right-hand side of the road, in the same direction as traffic flow. Avoid riding in blind spots or alongside parked cars and maintain a safe distance from vehicles, pedestrians, and other cyclists. Practice defensive riding techniques to anticipate and avoid potential hazards. Scan the road ahead for obstacles, potholes, or debris, and be prepared to react quickly. Keep a safe distance from other cyclists and give parked cars, pedestrians, and animals ample space. Stay alert and focused on the road at all times. Finally, ensure your bike is properly maintained to prevent mechanical failures and accidents. Regularly check your brakes, tires, chain, and gears for signs of wear or damage, and address any issues promptly. Keep your bike clean and lubricated, and schedule regular tune-ups with a qualified bike mechanic. In conclusion, staying safe while cycling requires a combination of preparation, awareness, and responsible riding. By following these essential safety tips, you can enjoy the freedom and benefits of cycling while minimizing the risks. Remember, safety should always be your top priority on two wheels. If you're in need of reliable locksmith services or expert security advice, contact Sure Lock and Key LLC today. Our team is here to help keep your home, business, and belongings safe and secure. Discover more safety tips, expert advice, and exclusive offers by following Sure Lock and Key on Instagram. Stay updated on the latest trends in home security and locksmith services. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on staying safe in any situation.